crystal light and open, brand new, expire 2014, 15, 15, 14, and 2013. Gonna throw it away, but I have to notify that everything is brand new and expired already. Yeah. No? Yeah. Elizabeth is washing the plates and she's gonna organize this side of the cups and glass in the kitchen. She needs to make a space because she bought a new Keurig and it's brand new. It's sitting there. Alejandro is putting all the new boxes for glasses in this shelf. Everything that is plates, disposable paper plates and cups, plastic cups, forks, plastic fork and spoons on top. He is fast, he organized really well. Carlos is in another room. She have things for Christmas, and let me. All this is like a.
Yeah.
The stand for food. She has a lot of paper, toilet paper in that corner. She buys a lot of decorations. And I'm gonna show you about Freddy. He already accomplished this corner. He removed the furniture already, and he's putting everything that is for washing tire in those black bags, pillows and blankets. He's making another container of cleaning and spray. I cannot pass. Everything is packed. Alejandro is putting all the new blankets. Everything is brand new. And Carlos is trying to finish that room. Elizabeth open new box of silverware. Abre, por favor, para mostrar. All new silverware is right there. New glasses in the box. We opened the box. We didn't ask. I just told Elizabeth to put it inside. She finished to wash everything, so she will decide. What is that?
Christmas.
En el garaje. En el shelf. Pregúntale pregúntale a este muchacho. Él sabe dónde están las cosas de Christmas. Fred is organizing, changing the position of the shelf. What I like about Freddy is he's proactive. He doesn't need supervision. He is proactive and he decides what is better. And that's something that I like because I cannot be in everywhere at the same time. So, thank you, Freddy.
No problem.
Excellent. Yeah. He likes to help. This lady needs help. All blankets, we are not throwing out things because she needs to have the control. We throw out things that is obvious. We are separating right now. He accomplished to put the furniture, the tide is more clear. Even though you think it's not clear, it's much better.